it's Nathan, aka that guy with the Mustang. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell and turn on post notifications. That way, every time I upload a new video, you guys will get notified. And as always, smash the like button. But today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your headlights go from this to this. Oh, hold on, wait. I'm sorry guys, I meant to this. So guys, for the first step of this process, you're gonna wanna put rubbing alcohol on the headlight. But even before that, you're really gonna wanna tape off the surfaces around it because you don't wanna mess up the paint. But if you can tell by this paint, I don't think there's much more damage you can do to it. So guys, if you can
action!
So guys, if you can tell, this light is not that bad of oxidation, whatever you wanna call it. So for this, we're gonna be using this Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0. As you can tell by the other light, it cleaned it up really nice. And, I mean, it looks almost brand new. And then we're gonna be using a drill with like a sponge end to it to kind of rub it all in and let it soak it up. And
that sucked.
So guys, you're only gonna wanna put a quarter size of the Meguiar's X 2.0 stuff on it. And then you guys are gonna wanna kind of smear it around all over the headlight because you don't want the fling everywhere whenever you start pushing that drill and starting the motor up. Then you're gonna wanna go real slow at first with light to medium pressure. And move slowly across the headlight. So guys, you're gonna wanna buff the headlight until the compound gets dry and come through with a semi-clean microfiber and wipe off that excess compound. And as you guys can tell, we only did half the light and it turned out really nice. This is what the untreated side looks like, and that's what the treated side looks like. Alright guys, so technically what we did to these headlights were we took the clear coat off of them. So if you guys don't want your headlights to keep on redoing what they were doing, you're going to want to put some protection on them. The ways you can do that is put a clear coat on it, but you know, with this nice car we don't want to do that. We're going to want to put some turtle wax ice on. So guys, with this turtle wax ice, you guys are going to apply this in a circular motion across the whole headlight. And be really firm with it because you want it to really get into the headlight. And this will really protect this headlight and make sure it does not oxidate for a long time. So guys, just like a normal car, you're gonna want this turtle wax to dry and come through with your semi-clean microfiber towel and buff it on, wax off type of deal. and she's done. Alright guys, so we're in the Lancer here. It's a 5-speed manual, that's what we like to see. And it's got the 2.0 motor in it. We're going to do a little 0 to 60 pull on it. This thing should be about 5.5 seconds with this 2.0. People like to call it the too slow, but it really gets up and goes. Alright guys, we're here on the main road. We're about to do our 0 to 60 pull. There she is, folks. About 5.5 seconds. Alright guys, if you're wondering who manages all my stuff, this right here is my production manager. And her sweet 2013 Ford Escape. It's got that 2.0 turbo in it. Burns the tires off through 3rd gear. Alright guys, so we're going to do a 0 to 60 pull on my manager's 2013 Ford Escape. Here we go. Woo, baby! Of course, we got the Brembo brakes on this. They don't allow me to drive this car. 1, because it's too expensive, and 2, it's too fast for me. Peace. Alright guys, headlight restoration is not easy work if you can't tell. So you guys need to wear helmets to be safe, or you're going to end up like me. Crazy neighbor lady! And as always guys, please get your cats and dogs spayed and neutered, please. Oh my god. You got it, you got it. You guys, after you do that, or I'm just gonna keep on throwing some random ass shit in there and then, or smile. We gotta read this. You record. Closed doors, I'm a fool from your life.